Hey guys, I'm installing these today, the SVS SoundPath subwoofer isolation system. Now as you can see, the subwoofer is quite heavy, so I've tilted it to the side and I've let it rest on this pillow that I have, which I use up front. This is what you will find in the box. 4 isolation feet, of which I'm only showing you 2. So here's a kind of close-up so you can get an understanding of how big they are. I actually expected them to be a lot smaller, and then they come with 4 screws or 20mm screws. These fit just spot on. Well, that's at least with my SB17 Ultra. Okay, so to do this, you're gonna have to take out the stock feet. All you do is just twist it and it comes right off. Then you take the new isolation feet. As you can see there's a hole to thread your screw through, and then basically you attach it like that, push your screw through and just tighten it up. Now it's a bit difficult for me to hold the camera and do this by myself, but I'm sure you guys get the idea. And by the way, here's that screw I'm talking about. As you can see, it's actually a direct fit. So if you've got an SVS sub, you don't need to worry about purchasing additional screws. This video is probably 2 weeks or 3 weeks after installing the isolation feet. And why I did that is because I needed more time to assess what value these isolation feet bring in terms of in-room performance. Now, other than the value of these isolation feet, in this particular room, I had some rattles on my door handle at the back here, and I also had some rattles on the frame which is directly attached to the door with some two-way tape. So in various demo tracks or movie scenes, the door handle would rattle as well as the frame. And after installing these isolation feet, those rattles probably gone completely. I mean, I think I would have to stand outside the room to notice vibrations or rattles. And that says a lot for these isolation feet, because I wasn't expecting them to do or to reduce rattles by this amount. I mean, it's a much better listening experience, especially in deep bass scenes. In addition to just reducing the rattles in the room, whatever SVS has done with these isolation feet, they seem to have an impact on how the SB17 Ultra delivers bass. Now let me expand on that. When I say how it delivers bass is, to me, after installing these, the bass seems a lot deeper than it was before. The impact in various demo tracks or movies hits a lot harder. And in terms of the low-end rumble that the subwoofer offers, it's just more pronounced. And I'm not saying this because I'm trying to sell these isolation feet. I'm not in any way paid by SVS to promote these. I purchased them with my own money, and they do make a tremendous amount of difference in the room, or give you a better listening experience in terms of bass output. So would I recommend these for 2,000 Rand? Definitely. If you need a set, my details are in the description below. If you want to come through and have a listen to what they offer, certainly hit me up and we can arrange something. We are based in South Africa, all the way in Midrand, and I'm happy to do a a demo between the stock feet on the SB17 Ultra, and I wouldn't even call them stock feet. I mean, they look like studs to me. They're just little studs that are there to, I guess, protect the subwoofer if you've got a hard floor. But these are true isolation feet. They have thick rubbers on them, and they give you quite a bit of clearance, as you would have seen earlier on in the video. So yeah, thank you for watching this video from STPONLINE. Please like and subscribe and support the channel.